Morning, YouTube. I know you can't see my face right now, and you can't see what I'm seeing really. It's whoa, it almost fell. It's January 31st, or no, January 1st, and we got, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches of snow, and I've been trying. I live by the tracks, and I witnessed something a few years back where it looked like the Polar Express. It was the coolest thing. I say cool, I just thought it was neat. And anyway, I have got up early this morning, and I'm gonna try to come down here, and I'm gonna try to capture it, because obviously you only get so many chances to catch a snowy day in Texas. We have some company here. You can't see them, but there's horses beside me. And I hear a train coming, but I think it's coming from the wrong direction. I need it to come from town, is how I'd like for it to come. I'll film it both ways, but no, that's not. Yeah, I need it to come from town. It'll look better that way because it comes around the curve. And I was hoping that all this snow would be undisturbed, but it looks like the cows have already been, or the horses have already been all over it, so that's not gonna work out. Anyway, I'm gonna get set up here, and this horse is still following me, and I'm gonna try to get some footage, and I'll obviously post it if I see it. And anyway, Happy New Year, everybody. Bye. Please like and subscribe.
Hey YouTube, this is going to be titled Dogs Playing in the Snow. I mean, look at this. They're running all over the place like a bunch of kids. Here they come right now. One of them, I don't know where the other one is. Oh, there's the other. Anyway, be back at you. Hey YouTube, well, I didn't get the picture of the Polar Express coming through like I'd hoped, or the video, but it wasn't for a lack of effort. I froze my tail off. That's all right. I'll try it again the next time it snows and at night and I'm at home, and a lot of stuff has to line up for this to happen. But that's okay. It'll work out. So, you know, a decade from now, when you're watching my channel and I'm missing all my teeth and stuff, you can be like, yeah, you know, that guy said 10 years ago he was gonna film that, and he's been trying ever since. So that's what, look at this right here. Early this morning I heard a weird noise, and the dogs barked, and well, that's what it was. This apparently was hollow and broke. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Kind of hollow. Looks like it's hollow back there towards the back. So you can see it better. I go out there and see where the black part is. That's basically hollow. It's gonna make a heck of a home for some kind of animal. Look at that. Probably already a home for some kind of animal. Anyway. Sure is pretty. It'll be gone in a few hours probably. But it's pretty right now. Anyway, oh. That's about all I know right now. I was hoping to have some babies down there when I went to feed. Normally when it's real nasty, the nastiest day of the year is when they have them. Not this time. Kind of shocked. So, I guess we'll see. Here in the next few weeks or a month, of course I think I probably said that a month ago, they ought to start coming. We gotta start having babies. They're huge and pregnant right now, so we'll see. And there's Hank doing what Hank does, destroy, create chaos. And did I mention destroy? Anyway, all right, guys, I'll get this. Hopefully, I'll get it spliced today. I don't know. I'm picking my dad up from the hospital today, so as soon as the road's clear, so may not get this up today. I wish I could, but we'll see. Y'all have a good evening. Have a happy new year, and hope you're blessed with health and happiness. Please like and subscribe. Bye.